This is Wild Chronicles. I'm Boyd Matson.
Hello, we're here at North Allegheny Senior High School. We're gonna find a wild, mean creature known as the North Allegheny Senior High School student. But first, I begin my journey into the jungle. Tally ho. However, there were some complications. Locked. We'll try a different day then. Alright, we're back. It's year 2000. Follow me. Nice. We're in. Watch out. In the horizon, I see what some animals call the watering hole. Or the watering hole. Many animals gather here to play reindeer games. Move on. You don't want to upset them. I approached the leader of a pack of animals to see how they would react. They gave me a sign of peace. He's drinking. He's offering me some. Way too hot. Tastes like diarrhea. Good God, this animal was very aggressive. I love you. Very rambunctious. Oh my God. This one's the mate.
Let's get some footage of
Look, a giraffe. Look, it's an African boar. We're gonna try and touch him. Eat. We actually made human contact with it. Oh, look! Another giraffe!
I wasn't a giraffe.
A little feisty, that one.
It's supposed to be mating season.
Alright, let's move on. Alright, now we're gonna go in to one of these bathrooms and see if we can get some feces to take back to the lab for samples. See what they eat. Corn, I don't know. Follow me. That's a bad idea. The hunt continues for a more erotic animal. I'm sorry, I said exotic. Exotic animal. Alright, look at them bathe. It's like a normal bath, but it's an actual ocean. Look at it. Wow. Sweet bologna. Good God.
Okay, Michael, let's go.
Alright, we need to get some sugar cubes. So next we're gonna try and feed them. Alright, come on. Terrible. I think I hear a hyena. I heard the call of a laughing hyena, so I went in this cave to investigate. There she is. The laughing hyena is not the brightest creature in the world, and you can identify it by the laugh. And if you didn't know that, then, well, you're a moron. It's a hyena. Alright, boys and girls, what I smell right now is Cheez-Its, Cheetos, and a little bit of urine. I think it's the amazing thoroughbred that no one has seen in many years. Oh, man. It's it. It's the thoroughbred. Alright, what I'm going to try to do right now is I'm going to try to get a closer look at him. Alright.
Yes, you did.
Alright. See what I don't know what he's saying. Let's just sit back for a moment.
You can sit wherever you want, I guess, but why is there a camera here?
I couldn't quite distinguish what the thoroughbred was saying, but we decided to go in for a closer look anyway. What a girl wants, what a girl needs, it will make me happy, set you free. And there go.
Could you stop that? Lance is gonna come in any minute, guys. This is weird.
He's getting aggressive. He shows me a sign of teeth. When he did that, I knew he's aggressive.
What?
All right.
What do you mean aggressive, dude? I'm trying to take a test.
Okay, maybe. Okay, I'm gonna try to calm him down a little bit. All you have is gum. Animals like gum, though.
What are you guys doing?
Okay. All right. It's okay, little guy.
Dude. Dude, I have gum.
Calm down.
What are you doing, man?
Okay, all right. Let's go. Come on. Okay.
What?
All right. That didn't work out. We're gonna try and find some more animals.